living in a double world. My name is Ana Maria Quevedo.
And I'm Feliz Quevedo.
Is any attorney good enough to handle your immigration paperwork?
Now, you need a dedicated attorney, someone you can trust and will tell you the truth.
I guess a good primer on immigration law would be going back to what makes immigration law. Where does it come from? It comes from Congress. It's called the Immigration Nationality Act. And then it's codified with 8 CFR, and the regulations that involve immigration have been around since the 20s, 30s, when immigration first started. Obviously, in some form or fashion, it started with, Ellis Island, and then after Ellis Island, the different waves in New York. You had your Irish, you had your Italian, and then now, basically, when we talk about immigration law, we talk about whether someone's coming here through a family member, someone's being petitioned by someone, or they're coming on their own merit because they're somebody that has this ability to offer something to the United States, maybe a patent, maybe some type of knowledge. Or the third way, more commonly, is when a company is petitioning an employee or potential employee to come to the United States and work here. And then obviously the primer there is immigration law doesn't change a lot. You'll see it, the big changes are maybe every 20 years. But what does change a lot in between would be maybe how it's interpreted by different agencies, and also different procedures of how to receive a certain benefit. Some attorneys that practice exclusively immigration. You've got other attorneys that practice immigration, maybe criminal law, family law, or personal injury, kind of like your more common type practice of law. One goes with the other. Very common, you'll see immigration law being practiced with personal injury. Average cost for a consultation can be anywhere from $20 or $30 with a nonprofit, up to $200-$300 if you're talking about an immigration attorney that's advising somebody on employment-based issues, like coming in and working with a work visa or some type of specialty visa. As far as choosing an immigration attorney, I think if it's more complex, the issue, I think it would be in the client's benefit to choose an immigration attorney that really focuses only on immigration, just because there's just so many changes in immigration. Like I said, maybe not the law, but the procedures and interpretations, that I believe if you've got an attorney that does a little bit of everything, he may miss that little issue that involved your case, and that's that little issue or that little element of a law that would have helped you out. And it's maybe something that just came out 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, or a new memo. And I think the other way to choose an immigration attorney is a comfort factor. Do you feel comfortable with your attorney? Does he respond to you? Does he return your phone calls? How much access do you have to him or her? Do you like the way they do business? Some attorneys charge you by the hour. Some attorneys charge you as a flat fee for their work. So I think it's a combination of a lot of different elements to figure out whether that's the immigration attorney that you want to work with.
We wish you blessings and guidance to all.
Till next time.